Petco to go get cookies for my little farm hamster. Doesn't want to come out the way. I'll take him out. Well, I don't want to bother. Come on. Come on, Chunky. Hello, Chunky. Go to your house. I need to go to Petco. Let's go get food. You like yourself, buddy? Is that you? We might buy him another buddy. Yeah, I have an iPad Air. So, bye.